Hi guys, my name is Temitope. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be taking you through series of mathematics problems and questions and step-to-step methods on how to solve these questions. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel and share across. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to get updates of new videos. In this video, we'll be solving this logarithm question. The question says log 2x plus 3 base 4 minus 3 is equal to log x base 4. This is the logarithm question, and we will be applying two major logarithm laws to solve this question. So let me write out the two laws that we'll be using to solve this question. The first logarithm law we are using, okay, if we have log a base c minus log b base c, this will give us, according to the first law of logarithm, this will give us log a over b base c. These two terms, they have the same basis. So because they have the same basis, that's why we can easily bring this result out, that this minus sign will turn to division on the right hand side here, and then we'll still continue with the base. This law will not hold if they have different bases. So this is one law out of the laws of logarithm. Then the second law we'll be applying in solving this logarithm question is if we have log b base a equal to c. This thing implies that b is equal to a raised to power c. So this is the second logarithm law that we'll be applying to solve this question, which says log b base a is equal to c. When we have something like this, something of this form, any question, any logarithm question of this form, the implication is that this b is automatically equal to a raised to power the c at the right hand side. So without wasting our time, let us dive into solving this question so that we can use these two laws and we'll get our final answer. Now the question says log 2x plus 3 base 4 minus 3 is equal to log x base 4. Now let's collect the like terms first. Let's bring log x base 4. Let's bring it to the left hand side to come and meet log 2x plus 3 base 4 here. And then we take our minus 3 to the right hand side. So let's do that real quick. So doing that, we have log 2x plus 3 base 4 minus, when log x base 4 is crossing over to the other side here, it turns to a negative log x base 4. So we have minus log x base 4 equal to, when minus 3 is crossing over to the right hand side, it turns to plus 3. So the sign will change. So we have it to be equal to 3. So we have successfully collected the like terms here. We can now apply this first law of logarithm that we have here. We can apply the law here because we have something similar to what we have here now. So applying this law, it shows that now they have the same basis, right? They have the same basis. It means this law will hold. So by applying this law, we will have log 2x plus 3. Don't forget that this negative sign here will turn to division as we had it here, that a divided by b. So it means 2x plus 3 divided by x. So we have divided by x. We are still on our base 4. The base is still 4. So you can add your base 4. And then everything here is equal to 3. Everything here is equal to 3. So from here, we can see that what we have here is very similar to the second law of logarithm that we have here too. Like log b base a equal to c. You can see that we have it like log 2x plus 3 over x base 4 equal to 3. So it means that we can apply this second law from here. So applying the second law, it means that b is represented by 2x plus 3 over x here. So it shows that anywhere we see b and 2x plus 3 over x here, we can substitute them. And then our answer here will now be 2x plus 3 over x is equal to our base, which is 4. According to what we did there, we said our base raised to power c, which is a raised to power c. So here our base raised to power 3 that we have here. So doing that, we have 2x plus 3 over x is equal to 4 raised to power 3. So we have 4 raised to power 3. So from here, we can simplify further to get the value of x. So we have 2x plus 3 over x is equal to 4 raised power 3 will give us 64. 4 raised power 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. That is 4 in 3 places. So it will give us 64. So having 64 here, the next thing to do is to cross multiply so we can get the value of our x. So by cross multiplying this one, we have x times 64. This x will multiply 64 is equal to 1 times everything here. So 1 times 2x plus 3 will also give us 2x plus 3. So let's simplify further. X times 64 will give us 64x is equal to 2x plus 3. Then collecting like terms, let's bring 2x to join 64x on the left hand side. So we'll be left with plus 3 on the right hand side. So doing that, we have 64x minus 2x giving us 3. So 64x minus 2x will give us 62x. So we have 62x is equal to 3. So dividing both sides by 62, 62 here will cancel 62. So we'll be left with x here. So our final answer will be x is equal to this 3 over 62. So this is our final answer. Our final answer is x is equal to 3 over 62. If this video is very helpful for you, you can drop a comment on the comment box. Thank you.